Hey everybody, so welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ciro. If you're not much of a baker or a cooker, but want to be able to do a quick, delicious dessert, I got something for you today. We are doing a 4-ingredient cheesecake. The whole thing takes less than 30 minutes. Alright, so the 4 ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need one of these blocks of cream cheese, 1 standard can of condensed milk, 1 egg, and lastly, one of these fancy pre-made graham cracker crusts. There are only 3 steps to this recipe. The first step is throw these 3 ingredients in the blender and blend it. All right, so that was it for step number 1. Step number 2 is pour in your cream cheese mixture into your pre-made graham cracker crust. For step number 3, make sure to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. We're gonna put the pie in there for 20 minutes, then we're gonna check it. We're gonna do the little toothpick test. Stick a toothpick in. If it comes out clean, you're done. But if you stick it in and it comes out wet, maybe leave it in another 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes tops, and this should be done. Into the oven. All right, so I checked the cheesecake at about 30 minutes and it wasn't ready, so I left it in a little longer, but I think it's ready now. Let's go pull it out. Hot, 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 hot. Oh my God, this smells great. Even from the middle, it's clean. All right, I'm gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes and then we will come back. All right, so let's test this cheesecake out. We're gonna cut ourselves a little slice, little sliver. Look at that, beautiful. Nice little cheesecake. Took about 45 minutes to make. Beautiful, just 4 ingredients. All right, so we're gonna go on for the taste. It smells great. It smells very sweet. This is good, wonderful. That was delicious. A few things. The cheesecake smells sweeter than your typical cheesecake. It also tastes a little sweeter, but it's not such a strong sweetness. Because of that, I wouldn't necessarily top this with anything that's too sweet. If you're gonna top it, maybe something citrusy would probably go extremely well with this. I'm thinking like lemon. Maybe I should do a lemon cheesecake recipe. Maybe. Very simple. You just need 4 things, about 45 minutes, and you can have yourself a cheesecake that is delicious. You can serve this one warm, you can serve it cold, however you want, room temperature. It's gonna taste great. Just as a side note, whenever you buy these pre-made tins, they have a little plastic inside of them. Don't throw it away. That's what it's for. Look at that. This idea right here for this cheesecake, it's actually a great one to do fundraising. You got 4 ingredients. You can have a lot of people do them. They're out really fast. And look, you can package them. I've done fundraisers with these before. And look at that, beautiful. You decorate it with some whipped cream, maybe a little bit of fresh fruit. It's amazing. Sell these for 10 bucks, 15 bucks even. And it really only costs like 4 bucks to make. So, hey, if you need a fundraising idea, this works. Amazing. All right, well, that was all for today for Cooking with Ciro. Thank you very much for stopping by. Like this video, subscribe, share it, all that jazz. And guess what? If you didn't like this video, I'm gonna make another video. Go and like that one.